The two biggest costs are housing and food. So with us being able to have an on-site source of free food for residents, and it's healthy, it's grown organically, they don't really have to choose between, can I eat or do I pay my rent?
We found that many of them had strained food budgets. So they were eating not the healthiest of foods. What we came up with was this raised produce wherever we can. So that way we're able to provide fresh organic produce that's grown on site and help them offset their food budgets.
Most important things that we produce in the community garden is opportunity for relationships. It's my mission and our goal in this garden to see people come out of their apartments and actually get some time in the fresh air.
I help with the harvest, I help with the planting, the weeding, everything, the whole 9 yards. And to see people benefiting from that right here in this building, like we're all just like one big happy community here.
It's really rewarding to see people, talk about it or meet people in the elevator with a bag full of produce that I've helped grow. It's really a rewarding thing to know that I'm helping people get access to some really good fruits and veggies, and I love it myself too. I always leave with a bag.
The community glue of any neighborhood is a service that everybody needs and wants. So that brings people literally to the table.
There's not another building in Albuquerque like this with this garden on it, and when you find a good place like this where they actually seem to care about you and help people out in need, it's great. You can't really find anything like that.